How to turn on assistive touch on your new iPhone 17. So all you have to do is to open your system settings, and once you are here, scroll down and open accessibility, and again scroll down and find the touch. Here in touch area you can find the first option, assistive touch, and it's turned off. If you want to turn it on, simply click it and enable this option. So if I enable it here, the screen button will appear here, which is the assistive touch, and you can go back to your home screen, and as you can see, it's here. So if I click it, I can use some features using just this assistive touch. Also, if you go back here to assistive touch, you can customize it here. So click here, for example, add some icons, for example 8, and you can add here some new feature. So if I click here on my assistive touch, the new feature is here. So this was how you can turn on the assistive touch on your new iPhone 17, iOS 26. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.